The performance of the rupee in September 2020. During September, the rupee had depreciated by 0.20% and registered a high and low of 72.7650 on 1/9/2020 and 73.95 on 24/9/2020 respectively. The intervention from RBI from the high of 72.7650 stimulated a pullback in the rupee to trade in the narrow range between 73.40 to 73.80 on most of the days in the month. The internal and external factors, both adverse and favorable, had little impact on the rupee. Global risk aversion and concerns that fresh lockdowns in Europe to keep in check the spread of COVID-19 dented the overall market sentiment. The three U.S. presidential debates expected to take place in October could guide the tentative direction on the election result. The US dollar index touches a 26-month low of 91.75 on 1/9/2020, and during the month, the DXY registered a rise of 3.3%. The rise in the dollar index had no significant impact on the rupee as the surplus dollar position in the market weighed against any weakness in the rupee exchange rate beyond the 73.80 level. The benchmark BSE Sensex and Nifty registered a fall of 1.45% and 1.23% respectively in September as the portfolio flows were negative in the month. The capital inflows were also on the lower side, and hence the forex reserve registered a lower increase of USD 3.61 billion as compared with the significant accretion in forex reserve in the June to August 2020 period. The position of forex reserve at the end of the month included the appreciation in gold reserve as well as the appreciation seen in the euro and sterling against the dollar. Due to higher retail inflation above the 2 to 6% corridor set by RBI, the money market yields were higher by 15 to 20 on various instruments up to 6-month maturity. The benchmark 6-month forward dollar registered a rise of 0.29% per annum in September in reaction to the higher money market and sovereign bond yield. All the above factors led to a reasonable stability in the exchange rate to prevail in the month. Overall, the underperformance of the local stock and limited capital inflows restricted the rupee's rise or fall on either side of 73.40 to 73.80. The importers and exporters were less wary on the domestic currency as the trading range was very much contained in September 2020.